In this example, we have given a function x cubed times ln of x, and our goal is to find the derivative of that function with respect to x. So let's do that. So here the function is actually, if you look into it, the given function is the product of two functions, which is x cubed and ln x, right? So if that is the case, we need to know how to find the derivative of the product of the function. But to do that, we have a product rule, which is if you have a product of f and g, and if we are interested on finding the derivative of that, we can apply this rule, which is known as product rule, and that is described as f times the derivative of the g function plus find the derivative of the f, multiply that with the function g. So this is the rule we need to apply. So if that is the case, then actually let's try to find all of the necessary thing for this to apply this formula. We need f, we need f prime, we need g prime, right? So let's try to collect those information. So let's have f g, which is very easy on this case. We just can assume one of the function here as f and another function over here, let's say ln of x is g, so that the product will be the given function, right? Now if once we do that, since we also need the f prime and g prime to apply the product rule, let's find the derivative of the function f and then find the derivative of the function g. What is the derivative of the x cube? By applying the power rule, this can be written as derivative of the x cube is, bring the power down as a coefficient, write down the x as it is, subtract the power by 1, so 3 minus 1 will be 2, so 3x square, right, is the derivative of the x cube. And what is the derivative of ln of x? We have a formula to find the derivative of ln of x, which is just 1 over x, right? So we have all the necessary information. We have f, we have g, we have f prime, we have g prime, so we can immediately use them, the product rule, to find the derivative of the product of the given function. So let's do that then. So how do you apply this rule here? We need to know what is f, which is given over here, x cube, right? And then we need to know what is g prime, which is, we figured that out over here, 1 over x, right? And we have the plus sign over here, carry that, and we have f prime, and then f prime we have figured that out earlier as 3x square, and then we also need to multiply that by g, which is, we have figured that out as ln of x. So done. This is the derivative of the x cube times ln of x. If you want to simplify this can be written as, what is the first term? If you simplify, x cubed times 1 over x, we see x at least as a common factor, which we can cancel out, or you can say by using the exponent law, this is actually just x square, right? And then plus 3x square times ln of x. And now after this, what can we do? We are done with the derivative, but if you just want to take the x square out also as a common factor, so the derivative can be also written as this alternative form. So this is the derivative of the function by using the product rule. Either you write down that or this alternative form. All of these are just the alternative form of the derivative of the given function.